Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Razr 2022. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator in status bar. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store, search for Internet Speed Meter Lite app and install it. Now open the app and go to Settings. Enter Preferences, Advanced Settings and select Add to Whitelist. Now, from Not Optimized, select All Apps. Scroll all the way down and search Internet Speed Meter Lite app. Now select Don't Optimize, Done, and thanks to this, you can see internet speed in the notification bar. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.